Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about BigCommerce App Marketplace. So to install apps and leave reviews, you must be the store owner or have the install application permissions enabled on your user account. To launch apps, you must be the store owner, have the launch applications permissions enabled on your user account, or have been granted access to a single click app. To install apps or cancel an app installation, you must have an uninstall application permission enabled on your user account. So this is the app marketplace. So there are a bunch of apps you can choose from. Just click on it, just install it if you want, and you can also uninstall it. So app integrations that can be used to extend the core functionality of BigCommerce. They can give you an extra analytic, integrate with other platforms, help you run marketing, and host of other features. The App Marketplace allows you to easily search for apps and install them with a single click. Each listing provides you with features so you can determine if an app is right for your store. Although some apps may require a subscription to use, many will offer a free trial period, or they may be entirely free. So that's it for the App Marketplace. Thanks for watching.